Hey, I'm Sam and I do design. In today's video, I'm back with the weekly design challenge and I'm designing a key fob. So the setup for the video today is slightly different. I've hopped into the Procreate app. In my previous videos before using Sketchbook, I was using the native iOS screen recording and it stopped recording a couple of times, so I'm just playing it safe in this video and using Procreate. So first off here, you're going to see me just using a quick ellipse, and then as soon as I've got an ellipse down, I can put in some guidelines and then straight away just turn the ellipse into more of a voluminous shape and start adding in some more shapes in perspective that you can just see me using a really rough sketch here now. And then once I've got a vague sort of idea about what sort of shape I want, then I can look at elevation views. And at this stage, I'm just sort of ideating as well. So you can see here now that I've dropped the opacity back just slightly, and then I can use a thinner pencil to put in the finer details and the fine lines that I'll use for the end sketch. And I've just put in some perspective lines there to try and draw the key coming out of the key fob itself. And I did that all on a different layer so I can also hide those later on so you don't see those construction lines, and it just leaves the key behind in a good perspective. So I'm going in now and I've put in a backdrop of blue so that I can have something that is going to reflect off the surface of the key fob. So I've put down a block color of blue, and then any highlights as well is going to use that similar sort of background blue, and that's going to make it look as if it's highlighting off the background instead of just floating in space with nothing behind it. With the main colors put down, I can start to add in details to the keys. So I use the construction lines and then added in blocks and took away blocks to give it a key shape. So now I'm just adding in some quick highlights and shadows into the rest of the body. And then adding in an icon for the lock and unlock buttons, and then I can map those onto the keys after that. And then it's all about rearranging the page to try and get it in a good composition ready to post. And then adding in some pop highlights to make it seem more cartoony and reflective. And then I've also turned that blue background into a vignette, so that really holds the sketch together. The only thing now is to post onto Instagram and to see if the weekly design challenge decides to repost it. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a retro Jaguar XKSS inspired key fob. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Go and check out Jacob's video over on his channel and let us know down in the comments who sketched the design better. Don't forget to go and check out the weekly design challenge over on Instagram and see if we were chosen to be on their feed. And I will see you guys next week for the same challenge. Bye.